Hello everybody, and welcome to the second assembly for this half term. Now, if you think back to last week, Mrs. Kidd introduced a new value, the value of compassion. And she told you the story of George and the dragon, and how George, by slaying the dragon, had helped the people in the town. Now I've got a different story for you this week. It's one from the Bible, from the New Testament, and it's about how one small boy showed his compassion through sharing. Now, have you ever shared? When was the last time you shared? Did you find it easy, or did you have to think about it quite carefully? I've been lucky. Over Easter, I received some chocolate, and I have here my final chocolate. And I'm having to think quite carefully. Shall I keep my chocolate for myself? Or shall I share my chocolate? Sometimes we have to think quite carefully about sharing, and it can be quite tricky for us to make the decision. Now, I've got some pictures to help with the story. Have a look at this picture. It's a picture from a stained glass window. What can you see in it? There are some loaves and there are some fishes. How many loaves can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many fishes? Well, there's 2, right in the middle. In today's story, Jesus and his disciples had been looking forward to spending a peaceful day together on the shores of Lake Galilee. But everybody wanted to hear Jesus' preaching, and soon there was a large crowd. As time passed, the crowds who came to listen to Jesus grew larger and larger. Jesus spoke for long hours, but time passed quickly without people realising it. At sunset, there was still a large crowd gathered round him. It had been a long day, and they were all hungry. "Send the people away so that they can go to the farms and the villages to buy food," said the disciples. "You yourselves should give them something to eat," said Jesus. "Where can we go and buy enough food to feed all of these people?" asked the disciples. Then the disciple Andrew spoke. "Here is a small boy with 5 barley loaves and 2 small fish, but it certainly isn't enough to feed all these people." "Tell the crowd to sit down on the grass," Jesus told his disciples. He took the bread and fish and thanked God for them. Then Jesus gave the food to the disciples, who kept breaking it and giving it to the people. Everyone ate as much as they needed. And when they collected up the baskets, there were 12 whole baskets left. 5,000 people were fed that day. Like everyone in the crowd who had followed Jesus that day, the boy in the story had walked a long way and listened for a long time. When the disciples asked the crowd if anyone had any food, it would have been very tempting for the boy to say nothing and to keep his picnic for himself. Perhaps he felt sorry for the others. He offered Jesus what he had, and in so doing, set a very important example. And that's an example that we should try and follow. How can we show our compassion? By sharing what we have with others, sharing our time and sharing our kind words. Now at the moment, many of us are at home for an awful lot of the time, and that can be quite tricky. It's easy to get just a little bit frustrated or a little bit irritated. But now more than ever, we should show our compassion for others and share what we have, and in particular, share those kind words. Now, I've got a decision to make. What do I do about that bunny? Do I keep that bunny for myself? Or do I share it? Goodbye.